All right, let's solve a fun little mystery. It's all about carbon.
So, how can one element, pure carbon, give us two things that look so wildly different?
And it's not just about looks, Their properties are total opposites, too.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We're gonna look at everything from atoms to electrons.
The secret isn't what they're made of, it's how they're put together. It's all about structure.
Inside a diamond, every carbon atom grabs onto four others. This creates this incredibly rigid 3D network.
Just look at that. See how every single atom is locked perfectly in place? Super strong.
But graphite, it's a whole different story. Atoms only bond to three others, making these flat sheets.
And those sheets are just kind of stacked on top of each other, super loosely. That's why it's so soft.
Okay, so this structure completely changes how their electrons behave. Let's dig into that.
So every material has something called an energy band gap. Think of it like a high jump bar for electrons.
Check out the difference. Insulators have this huge gap, right? But for conductors, there's basically no gap at all. And that's our case right here. Diamond has a massive gap, but graphite has pretty much zero gap.
So how does this electron high jump make a diamond clear? That's the million-dollar question.
Well, for diamond, that jump is a massive 5.6 electron volts. Its electrons need a ton of energy.
But here's the thing. Visible light photons, they just don't have enough juice to make that jump. Since the light's energy is too low, the electrons can't absorb it. They're just stuck.
And if the light isn't absorbed, it just goes right on through. And that, right there, is transparency.
Okay, but what about graphite? Its lack of a band gap changes the entire game.
In graphite, there's no high jump bar, so its electrons can absorb pretty much any photon of light.
It just soaks up all that light energy, and since none gets through, it looks black.
And there you have it, from atomic arrangement to electrons to light, to why one is clear and one's black. It really all comes down to one simple rule in science. Structure is everything.
So if you can turn carbon into a diamond just by rearranging it, what else is out there waiting to be discovered?